The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 98630 50899.
Katu kat Nipur, Dien Balawai, Kasingi Balai, Kador Bar Mang Tingka, Jongka Ying Dor Bar Tawain, Kajala, Hakakat Patrick, Rumpang Arja Penriu, Uba Arden Mila, Baseo Moit, Emily, and Nongkrem, Uloong, but Imat Ukonrad Ke Sangma, Menturumba, Kajala, Ulangya, but Ïohsngew, Kyntien, in a line permit, Lani ILP. Haba Kylli, hello, Jingmi, Kajingenia, Ying Dor Bar Tawain, hello, ILP, Uba Arden Uloong, Bakap Jingmut, Jongu, Kalong Ban Kylibnia, hello, Kate Kamat, Henry Umuturangba, Kajala, Ulale Dom Penban, Nalor Kata Uloong, Bakalong Kabasngo Pla, Ba Upersang, Penban, Ban Keno, Yakaliang Persha, but Banbu Jingkeli Kala, what la Kamde Kakamram Chunki.
I don't know, you must have seen when the members of the opposition raise question related to ILP in a sober manner. It was the other side who, I don't know, unnecessarily get irritated and turn the situation inside the house and make it not, a healthy discussion, as we have seen.
How do you see the reaction of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma in matters of ILP whenever when it was taken up today? How do you see? How do you read it?
You see, if I can read it rightly, I can tell you that maybe the Chief Minister is fed up with the word ILP. He is fed up with this issue. So they don't want that the people should know their stand, their view as far as the ILP is concerned. Because if you go to the history, the demand for ILP, then the decision of the government to pass a resolution, which is why I asked the Chief Minister today, I need a sincere reply. Whether the government is really intending, because examining the matter is a continuous process. It might take, because you have put a word in such a way that it might take 10 years also. Whereas the unregulated inflow of outsiders is also going in a very large scale. So I want to know, because when the government decided to pass a resolution, it was on that very year that there was a presidential order in the form of the adaptation, which removed the word Khasi Jantia from the preamble of the Bengal Eastern Frontier. So my question is very relevant. If you are serious, you should have moved the government of India and ask the government of India to undo that presidential order, because it was unconstitutional also. The president cannot, as I referred, the Article 374. So the president cannot make any modification or alteration as far as some laws, which after the expiration of 3 years from the commencement of the constitution, it means it was unconstitutional. But instead of addressing to my question, he got mad. It was quite amused on the part of the leader of the house, the chief minister, to try to put the blame to us and question the members of the opposition. How many times you have? It is not our job. We have not been bestowed by that responsibility. He is the chief minister. It is his duty. And if you feel that he cannot, or in case we need to jointly move to the state government, it has to come from them.
Quotations regarding ILP. And so is it right on the part of the CM to say that you are not taken up?
Which is why why he wants to specifically asking me, when our MP is taking the matter with the government of India, it means the VPP, he is not doing on his own individual capacity. Not necessarily that Babarait will have to go there because he asked question to the chief minister. He has to go himself to Delhi. That is not. on becoming on the part of the Chief Minister, and it's quite amusing. I'm telling you, they have failed in their approach. I made a mention. I think you get what I raise in the House. When we approach or when we negotiate, we have to negotiate from the strong point, So this government has only given the central government an option. While they are demanding for ILP, they are also exploring ILP like. So what is that? Is that a kind of a seriousness? You see, so you cannot fool the people nowadays. No, we are under scrutiny. Even we are under the public scrutiny. So people, they are more wise, clever.
Well,
Conducted. We have seen that the issue of illegal coal mining was Imat. So how do you see? Do you see that this session is being conducted in a fair manner this time?
No, I don't think the assembly is being conducted in, without bias or in a fair manner. You should not forget that, the government is accountable to the assembly, and in the assembly, members of the assembly, especially the members belonging to the opposition, must be given a fair chance, to raise issues concerning the state and its people, to analyze the claim of the government, and to do anything which is going to benefit the people of the state. But sadly, every time we are being prevented to raise pertinent issues, by applying some rules or procedure of the rules of business and conduct in the House. So therefore, we feel that despite the fact that the session is only held in a very short duration, yet the members are not given enough opportunity to deliberate on different issues, especially on issues which have, taken a toll as far as the lives of the people are concerned.
Haba thin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata haba thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.